In this video, we're taking an honest look at Seafile, a cloud storage platform known for its speed, lightweight syncing, and strong file versioning system. Seafile stands out by using block-level sync, which means it only updates the parts of a file that actually changed, making uploads and collaboration noticeably quicker than many traditional cloud drives. Its self-hosting option is a major advantage for users who want tighter control over data security, though the setup can feel technical if you're not comfortable managing servers. The hosted version is simpler but still places emphasis on end-to-end encryption, though it's important to understand that some advanced features require a paid tier. The interface is clean but not as polished or consumer-friendly as mainstream alternatives, so the experience leans more toward productivity than visual convenience. Overall, Seafile is a solid choice if you value speed, privacy options, and efficient team workflows, but it may not be ideal for beginners seeking an easy plug-and-play cloud drive. Stick around and subscribe for more honest tech breakdowns.